Okay, so a bunch of people are telling you, hey, I'm gonna help you with Java. Well, I'm gonna do that, but I'm not gonna be all like, okay, so basically what you do, you click the button. No, I'm not gonna be that rude, um, because I know you could do better things than your time than listen to some guy just saying, okay. I'm sorry if that's offensive, but just saying. Alright, so you want to click Create a Java project. This is like almost after you installed Eclipse and created and clicked your workspace. And create a Java project. Then your project name, naming it tutorial is what I will be doing. And finish tutorial. It's gonna have the system library, the resources and stuff. But you're gonna focus on this one, source. You're gonna new, and you're gonna do package. Com dot your name. Mine is Michael. Don't put Michael, just put your name, and then put whatever you want. I was about to put main, but you could put tutorial. I spelled that wrong, but anyway, you just create a class inside of here, and you can name that main because that's where all of my code's gonna be. You can name it whatever you want. I really don't care. You see this public class main. This is your class folder, and this is the package it's in. And public means it's accessed from anywhere in this file. Anywho, so and if it could also be private, which means it's only for this one class, nowhere else. And we're just gonna set it up for real quick. Public main string args. Don't ask me what these mean because I'll tell you later. But just like don't you'll learn later. Anywho, public main. So this is your function blocks. Basically, like, hey, this is being doing this. So do whatever's in here. So basically, what's ever in here will be run, and they usually tell you, all right, so let's do hello world. So I'm not gonna be that dumb. I'm going to make it say something a little smarter. Hi world. Oh, by the way, make sure to have that right there. That is the end of the line. If you don't have one of these, or a bunch of other stuff, but alright, this is hi world. So it's a little different. Control S to save, by the way. The selection cannot be long. Okay. Maybe now. Hold up, I'll be back. I forgot. Alright. So basically, I did this right, and it was like static void. And I did this right a while ago, and it's just telling me, yeah, it doesn't work. Anywho, that's just a problem I shouldn't be having. But yeah, basically, this is a block of code that's saying, hey, make the console say, hi world. And if you press this run button, you'll say, hi world, how you doing? you could copy this and paste it again. It won't have any errors because, well, it'll just say hi world twice. Anywho, could say pp, and then you just press run, and say pp, and yeah, I'll do this in this video. So basically, you could have a string. A string is very important. It's a type of variable. There's string, there's an int, there's a... No, actually, no. Let's do double. Then double, float, and then Boolean would be the most important ones you're going to need to know. String yes equals some text. It will equal text. And integer no equals, it can only equal 32. It cannot equal a decimal. Double can equal a decimal, 32.1. Double maybe equals 32.1. Float is another type of double. I forgot the difference between double and float. But yes, it can hold a decimal. Oh. And sure equals 43.2. And Boolean poop equals false. It's either true. This could be either true or false. Okay. Okay, so all of these are strings. I was just wondering, like, wait, is a float not a decimal? Well, these two should be the same, but, like, there is a little bit of a difference. We initialized all of these strings, but there's nothing that you don't do anything with them. That's why there's a little green line saying, the value local is yes, not use. Because if we run it, it only says what we made right here. So we're going to want to system dot out dot println, and inside you don't put quotation marks, you could just put yes. Yes. It will print that. So like that. So basically it'll print whatever the string yes has in it. And let's run. It telling me to save. I forgot to save. It prints what's in here, which is what it's supposed to do. And yeah, so basically you could just copy this, right, and do the same for the Boolean, right, for the Boolean poop. So basically then it'll say, yeah, that's false. Or concatenation, yes plus no plus maybe plus sure. Then it will do that. But there's a reason why, hey, the numbers are all jumbled together. There's there's a reason. That's because there's no spaces in between them. It's because if we wanted them not jumbled together, we would have to do this. And now it should have spaces in between. Yes, 32, 30, 43.0. There. So basically that's variables and stuff. And we can just get rid of that for right now. And now, you know what? I'm just going to do a lot in this episode. So now, here's, if you would really, 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 really want to, you could just create, hey, in the beginning of the thing, it creates a Boolean. You want to know what the Boolean name is? Running, because it is running. It makes it true. Actually, no, it defaults to false. And then once it goes through that line of code, it will make the Boolean running into true. well, you don't need the boolean. You just need the running true part to be there, because it already did that. Anywho, if this is an if statement, running is equivalent to true, do this. System dot out dot println, it's equal to true. Yep. And basically, oh, I did a bad. What'd I do? Oh, there we go. Anywho, so if running equals true, it's equal to true. And yeah, it will say that. And else, you could add this, which just in case something, if it's not equivalent, two equal signs means equivalency. And there is other ones, like I'm pretty sure it's this one. That means not equal to true. It's not equal to true. But let's first do equivalency since it's the easiest one. Oh, that's not what I'm wanting. Remove the not in there. Else system.out.println something went wrong. Because you shouldn't be getting this. It's equal to true, alright? And if you just change this to an exclamation point, it will say something went wrong. And what went wrong is that it's looking for not equivalent. Okay. Oh my god. Sorry. Or if you just make sure it's false right there. This is absolutely useless. Never just like, hey, yep, it's created. Okay, make sure it's false, but I already know it's false. That, if you're doing it in this case. This line is absolutely useless, but let's keep it in there just to make sure. It'll say something went wrong because it's looking if it's equivalent to true. If it is, it will do this. If it isn't, it will do this. But it's false, which it shouldn't be. It should be true. And now everything should work like it says. It's equal to true. And it will never tell you this. Something went wrong. And yep, that is basically if statements, variables, and printing explained very briefly. I will explain more stupid stuff next video.